Premier League was very gracious to invite Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to visit China. And that's how this journey of CPEC started in coming weeks, months and years. And in Beijing, we witnessed this memorable signing ceremony of MOU between our very dear President Xi and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. And the rest we have seen these videos which have captured very important milestones of CPEC. Honorable guests, during these 10 years, under the leadership of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, CPEC gathered momentum unheard of in Pakistan's economic history, with complete support from President Xi and Premier Li. We saw landscape of Pakistan transforming into one of the most growing countries, not only in the region, but around the globe. We completed power plants run by coal, hydropower projects, Orange Line, road infrastructure, and this was a story of hard efforts, a story of untiring efforts and commitment between the Chinese leadership and Pakistani leadership. In that, thousands and thousands of Chinese engineers, Chinese workers, along with Pakistani engineers and workers, worked day in and day out. And records were set